The cheetah is considered the most aggressive predator in the animal world. But this hunt did not go as expected. The cheetah is always ready to confront anything, even a lion. And if it fails, that is also a glorious thing. The target of the cheetah is an antelope, and what will they do? The cheetah is hiding behind the mountain as the antelope is eating grass, and it doesn't know what is happening to it yet. But suddenly, an antelope had approached the place where the cheetah was lying, and they immediately got up and chased. And the ill-fated antelope was captured. And then it escaped again. And the cheetah on this side are still watching their prey from afar. Waiting for the prey to not notice that they will react immediately. But this time, the antelope had shown them its strength. As the antelope alone was lucky to overcome the pack of cheetahs with its hind legs. As the chase continued, but with a different development. As the antelope died, just in time for the monkey to witness it all. And when the cheetah had walked away from the antelope, the monkeys had chased their mind to attack. As the cheetah was chased by the monkeys, and it ran away quickly. And this monkey had came to check on the antelope. But indeed, the antelope was not dead, as it got only injured in the leg when it escaped with the cheetah, and the cheetah cheated. The wildebeest will be the next animal, as the cheetah hunted but failed. Leopards appear between antelopes and zebras. Leopards appear between antelopes and zebras, as it is blatant when it alone chases after the antelope herd. A restrained antelope, seemingly about to be eaten. But fortunately, the gazelle's comrades had came to save it from danger. But the antelope had injured its leg quite badly. The wildebeest were again hunted by leopards, but because of the greed, they lost their prey. As the antelope this time did not accept being killed easily, and they rose to the ability to survive. As Cheetah twirled in that chaotic sequence, chasing and stopping, and chasing again. And when they were about to eat their prey, they lost it soon after, and the hunt had failed again. The cheetah will fight the warthog, the ugliest wild boar in Africa. The wild boar house is in the ground, and today they go out together. As the cheetah had noticed that and chased to attack. And the wild boar splits into one of each sides to disturb the hunting leopard. As the leopard hunted successfully, and it kept chasing one after another without determining which one would be the main prey. So, it got messed up, and messed up in that logic. It was defeated by the herd of the ugly wild boar. What are these pictures like? And can the leopards eat their prey? The cheetah stands from afar, observing the saber-horned antelope. As the cheetah is still the same as before, and it does everything to chase its prey. As the young saber-horned antelope was hunted by the leopard, right after that, with a sacred motherly love, the mother antelope had came and taught the hunting leopard a lifelong lesson. The cheetah challenges the prey that is standing nearby. and I thought that the prey was easy to deal with. But a second later, the cheetah was surprised when it was attacked in reverse. How can this hunt be without zebras? The mother and daughter of the zebra family were participating to deal with the enemy. And when the cheetah had rushed out from nowhere to approach the child to take his life, the mother has many years of experience, so she protects her children very safely. And when the cheetah touches her, the mother quickly counterattacks.